Good morning. Say bye-bye, nanay.
Bye, nanay. Bye, nanay Kuya.
Baba, super late na si Shiloh. Pero dalhon gyapon ako. Kuan mong god gikapoy si Shiloh ba. Ingon siya nga kapoy daw siya. Pero bangon naman siya. Ingon ko mo eskwela ta. Siya. Okay. Eskwela na inom naman siya. Milo, look at here.
Teacher Milo, mommy, okay?
Why you are tired, my love?
Because I'm just running because I went to the bedroom and sit down.
Init. Sakit kayo kong ulo.
You're sitting, you're walking at the side. You already, the one already born.
Yeah.
Already born.
Yeah.
After me already born. The sun is burning.
Yeah.
Sand.
That's why I told you don't play under the sun. It's very hot. Look at your face. Got born. Na. Where are we going now?
I'm going to school. I'm Baba here. Here. Shoulder.
Taman Hercules. Silvis na balik. Salamat. Good morning ha. Okay. Good morning. Good morning, Sissy. Sit down, Papa. Good morning. Be good girl. Connect, where's the circle here? Can you find the circle here?
Here.
Yes.
Here.
Yeah, connect him this one. Connect the circle, Shiloh. Where's the circle? Yeah, where's the circle here? What you did here, the same, the same. Yeah, that is oval. Yes, very good. This one, what is the same? Connect that one, the same. Wow, I love the way you did. What is the same, this one?
Asa man kami sin?
This is... What color here?
You want to connect?
No, not connect.
This?
Tarong dia jud.
Jindli. Oh, pangan jindli nga.
Yay! Wow, I love the way you did. This one, finish this one. This is triangle, okay? Love the way you did.
Ayo terus lang pansit lang.
Yes.
Tarong nga. Sige tulo-tulo Ari, okay, basa. Ay, hindi bata. Ay, sige, tulog-tulog ba kay? Lakaw, kaya kati ko, kung lakaw, masubasa mo sa
Siyempre,
inyo.
matuwad ka ng lingkuran niya. Paglingkod, natanong ba?
Kaong ka na yun.
Done.
All, put all.
Ano yun yun niya? Nagpibaw na nan, kitpusak ko ni Michelle. Ay, mga ayos na.
Other side.
Ako,
Ah, this one? Uy!
ako kay ayos.
Slowly. Don't over the line. Should be put inside only.
So, ano niya nila ba?
I'm tired.
Hindi na kaano
Yeah,
pansit.
you have to do, hurry.
Ano sa baso? Ah, kanang naa sa baso. Diyos na.
Wow, I know you did, my love. Yeah.
Kalamin no, Diyos na. Ah, Diyos na.
This one pa.
Ano ka na nagkaon ka? Nakaane?
Over the line already. I said inside only, inside. That one. What is it?
Kining Diyos, ina.
Don't over the line, my love. Not over the line.
Danang Diyos, danang kailangan.
Here. Done already that one. This one and this. 3.
Hukda na ni ba? Kaya uhaw na ko niya. Na na.
Orange and white.
Yeah.
Ayun ba na? Padalo na na ni. Ngam. Padalo na na.
Over that one already, Shiloh.
It's okay.
Look at there. Look at.
He's tired.
Tired already? This one. Oh. Pass.
Diba,
Hindi na.
Bala kayo di ba?
It's Papa.
Ikaw na.
Ah.
Dahil ayaw mag-pay.
You're tired now? You're tired. That's why I told you. You have to listen. As soon teacher will give you this activity, you have to do.
Ikaw na din.
Ang kita.
Listen pa. This one. Siti, this one.
I already did the bug.
Yeah. Last one. Wow. I love the way you did, my love. The last one. Na. Now you can give the picture now. You have to say thank you. Okay? My teacher still eating, my love, later. Wait, Shiloh, wait. Okay? Wow, Shiloh, please. Thank you. Say thank you. Say thank you, okay? Wow, 3 star. Shoot to Dada. Okay, ikaw, you can eat now. Dali. Daisy.
Ano ba?
Sana dali. Come on, sit down na. Sit down na, sit.
Good job!
Sa silo, ilang pagkaon kay pansit o bread, sandwich, tang juice. Ang gibalhin di ana. Eh, ibantayan ako, di nahimo. Pag wala nini na po ni bantayan, dili niya na trabaho on. Kaya na busy siya, tinanaw siya mga classmate kung sa gipang buha. Should the star? Mayroon din star. Where's your star? One star. Last din ang klase nila sa ilo karon. Kay ang balik, Huwebes na. Sunod Huwebes na. Balik.
What? Bansit ako?
Yes, wow.
Stephen, wag mo na lang, Stephen,
Good
ka.
job. First time juice. Check in.
Somebody play again?
Just ready.
Did you get mad?
Yeah. Assignment. Masala assignment.
Sige na, Pim. Anak, natabi.
Ano akong mama?
Buot rin ka, dala ko.
Dili sa magawas. Dili sa magawas.
Ay, sa gawas.
Nasa mo, be.
Little
Yes, be. Di na mo school. Dire. Sunod. Mga adlaw. Kay mo transfer na si Gisre adto sa Kalapi. No? So, di na nandiyo nakaulan si Gisre. Toge. Bye, Gisre.
Bye. Okay, bye. Bye, kuya. Bye, kuya. Kuya will move.
Tagatiniin.
Ibili.
You cannot move. We have to wait. Dada here.
Alam mo dyan? Gatiniil. Bye, John. Pagkabulan na. Transfer ba? Kalapit na.
My love, where are you going? You have to wait, mommy. Come on. Tawo sa ta. Lian. Kiti, Kuya B-boy will go. Okay?
Ato ko, eskwela sa Kalapi.
Yes, you have to say goodbye to Shiloh. Say goodbye to Kuya. Come on. Say goodbye, Kuya. Kabalhin na ang kadula ni Shiloh. Yang kadula, yang ganahan nga bata kadula. Kasi na mo naman lang na kag daspan nun. Naglimpyo. Like klase sila sa ilo. Iti, why you're not playing, Kuya B-boy? Dula ni Shiloh. Balhin na.
Check ko. Bahaw gani ka dira sa iyo? Ha? Bahaw ko.
You might fall down daw, Kuya said.
Bahaw.
Das dula-dula nila. Oh. Hag, Kuya Biboy, my love. Come on.
Goodbye, Kuya Biboy.
Tibay, Kuya Biboy.
Biboy.
Mulakaw na sila, bye-bye.
Kami sila sa bukid.
Ato sila sa kuan, Mount Elhel.
Nanay, oh. Sunod nanay, after nanay naligo.
Ligo ko kay
I want to buy something ice cream.
Yes, yes, we need to, my. City
Wala
House,
na
the
may-
school. City House, the school.
wala na may
Buy ice
I'm proud of
wala may
you.
klase.
Hmm.
Malag ta dito ila Tita Margie.
Hmm? You wanna go, ati
Sakay-sakay
Jai sa
ta itong
house?
kuan.
Nana will come with us.
Yeah.
Looy po doon tapos ko siya maayong buboy. Wala siyang kuana oh.
Close na sila. Pili lang lagi ang yang kanang gustong dulaan na kadula.
Could you buy dog?
Ha?
Could you buy dog?
Mm.
Ang kuan.
Kuya,
Ihukla
you
sila
buy
hinay.
dog.
Ibalik init.
Kuya, you buy dog.
It's there inside.
The home?
Mhm. Bye, bye.
Oh, mama.
It's there
Dito
working.
dito kay trabaho man to. Mugwag.
Silo D17. It's already finished, complete. Why happened? Feel hot? Oh, feel hot.
Kuan siya.
Day 17. How's your school, my love?